AEG induction hobs are incredibly precise, reactive and efficient, and offer many helpful technologies to help enhance your cooking. Here, we'll give you some useful induction cooking tips. Firstly, when cooking on induction, don't shake the pan. The heat on induction is very even, so shaking it will make it less efficient and could even cause damage to the hob's surface. Instead, when cooking dishes like stir-fries, you'll get the best results by keeping the food moving with utensils. The power boost function is perfect when you need a rapid burst of heat, such as when boiling water or searing meat. However, we recommend using the function sparingly during cooking, as it can easily burn if not monitored or used correctly. Whilst induction hobs can be very powerful, they are also very gentle, and we recommend making use of your hob's low power settings, which are ideal for melting chocolate directly in the pan, as well as making hollandaise, ragu and slow cooking. To prevent scratches and damage to the hob's surface, be sure to always place cookware gently down. Don't use the hob's surface as a chopping board, and don't sprinkle salt or sugar, as it can get trapped under the pan and cause micro scratches. It's also best to alternate between cooking zones to prevent build-up of micro scratches in heavily used areas. As induction hobs operate through an electromagnetic field, be mindful to never put mobile phones, tablets or laptops on the hob's surface, as the hob's magnetism could cause damage to the device and the hob may turn on. AEG induction hobs offer a wide range of innovative features, from countdown timers that turn the hob off automatically to ensure you never overcook, to specialist assisted cooking functions and bridging technology. So to make sure you get the most out of your appliance and its functions, we recommend familiarising yourself with your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.